Attention, this is a message from the emergency alert system. Please listen carefully, and do not turn your devices off for any reason. This is not a drill. Just 2 days ago, a deadly outbreak of a virus known as the negativity has spread throughout Woodside, New York in just 4 hours. Its first case was reported in and started spreading rapidly throughout the state, and is now considered a worldwide pandemic. The origin of this virus remains unknown, but the side effects are disturbing, as they are life-threatening. The side effects of this virus are vomiting, seizures, self-destructive behavior, and necrosis. Apparently, this virus tricks the infected hosts into destroying themselves and hurting other people, as they now consider the environment a threat. For you and your families and friends' safety, lock your doors, close your windows, and most importantly, avoid contact with those who are already infected. It is too late to save them now that they have fallen victim to the negativity virus. They are no longer human. You cannot save them. The least you could do is put them out of their misery, to avoid spreading the virus to other survivors. This virus is known to use their host's negativity against them, as it tricks them into killing themselves. However, 10 seconds after death, they are revived to suffer. Despite their decomposed bodies, the virus revives them to hunt down any remaining survivors. If you somehow get hurt, you must cover the injury to prevent the infection from entering your body. If you are attacked by an infected and end up getting scratched or bitten, you must also cover that injury right away. If possible, you must amputate the injured body part before the virus enters your body. And the only cure to this virus is
You're for the virus. You get the drug. You get the tide. All hope is lost. All life will perish. Except your fate. God cannot save you now.